So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to clear watch history on TikTok. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your TikTok application for that reason. And then from here on the right bottom corner, you will probably find the profile icon. So tap on the profile. And then right upper side, you will probably see these three dots. So tap on this and go with the settings and privacy. So here you will find out the activity center. So select this option. Now as you can see, here is the watch history option. So tap on the watch history and you will find out the watch history. So right after that, simply to clear the watch history, you need to select the select option. And then you can select all watch history. Now once you have done it, you can simply go and simply tap on the delete option and once again tap on the delete. Now as you can see, no watch history available. All the watch history has been cleared. So that's how you can clear watch history on TikTok. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.